And now we're going to graph a system of nonlinear inequalities. Taking a look at the first graph is a graph of a quadratic function, a parabola. The fact that we have this negative here, it is a reflection of about the x-axis, meaning instead of facing upward, this parabola is going to be facing downward. Our symbol tells us to make sure that it is a solid line. So once we sketch it, it's going to look like so. Next, we're going to determine whether we're going to shade upper or lower. Since both of these equations are solved for y, we can easily do the boundary method. So looking at that symbol there, it says y is less than or equal to. So anytime you have less than, you're going to do lower or below the graph. So the lower region would be under the parabola. So once we sketch that, we're done with the first part of the graph. Line 2 is also still a quadratic function, a parabola. This time the parabola is going to be facing upward because you don't see a negative out front. But we see a -6 in the back, so what are we doing to this parabola? Yes, that is a vertical shift 6 units down. And notice here there's no line underneath, so that's going to be a dash parabola. So once we sketch it, it's going to look like so. And now we have to decide, are we going to shade upper of that red parabola or lower, which is everything on the outside. So since it's already solved for y, all you have to do is look at it and it says y is greater than. Remember, when it's greater than, you're going to shade everything that is above. So once we do so, it's going to look like so. And here is the solution, the overlapping part. It's the part that you shaded blue and you shaded it red.